Again, actress Connie Ferguson embarrasses herself. With all that Connie Ferguson has going on, one would think that she is superhuman. But her egg-on-your-face moments are so many, they prove that Connie Ferguson is also just human after all. Here are some of the few embarrassing moments. Glamour magazine cover. The Queen actress graced the Glamour magazine cover, but received a heaping amount of hate when she donned a jumpsuit and bob wig. Connie the Thief. Connie International Brands, which belongs to Connie Ferguson, was accused of stealing beauty care giant Nivea's packaging on their collection of men's body care product Connie. She lost her appeal at the Supreme Court of Appeal against the cosmetics giant, Beiersdorf Group. The court said there are similarities in their products. Ouch, the Queen flop. Her husband Shona is also to blame for her most embarrassing moments. The Queen shared bloopers on social media. It showed his actress wife, Connie, slipping up a few scenes on the Mzansi Magic show.